Hey YouTubers, welcome to Southwest Desert Farming. I'm Michael and that's Stacy over there. Where's she at? There she is. Today we are gathering up some free food for the goats and the chickens. In the front of our property we have our pistachio trees, but the leaves have fallen and there's usually pistachios that have fallen off the trees that are on the ground that we can't really harvest. But I know the goats and the chickens like all of that stuff, so let me turn you around here. Necessity is the mother of invention. I think that's the saying. So I got my old handy dandy Yanmar tractor, and this bucket right here is actually the half of a tote that I'm going to make into a pond setup for hydroponics. But anyways, we rake up the stuff under the trees, including the weeds. Leaves, everything. Right now there's a lot of rocks. We're trying to avoid the rocks, but get this all set up and get it over to the back. There's our other little tractor there that we've been picking up trash and stuff that we don't really want to throw in with the goat food. Anyways, this is the front corner of our property, and you can see still plenty of food to go with the backdrop of the mountains. Oh, beautiful. This Southwest Desert Farming evening, getting ready for the sunset. Anyways, drop me a note, let me know what you like, don't like. Thanks for visiting. That's a short one, so we'll see you next time. I'm Michael for Southwest Desert Farming. Take care.